Hello students, how are you? Today will be class number 15 in science, okay? So we will speak about FDA. FDA is the agency of the US Department of Health and Human Services, okay? So this class that I will give you now will be an extension of the book. So to answer the worksheet, you need to read the text well, and if you have any question, just let me know, okay? So I will explain you with some slides so you will take an idea what is FDA and you will be able to answer the worksheet, okay? So let's begin. What is FDA? Okay, so FDA is the Food and Drug Administration, touches the lives of virtually every American every day. It's FDA's job to see what medicines and medical devices are safe and effective. So the job is to see if the medicine and medical devices are safe and effective. So FDA is a federal science-based law enforcement agency mandated to protect public health. Okay, so it's in the United States. So the agency has approximately 9,000 employees, most of whom are scientists, inspectors, medical doctors, and other professionals. So FDA's budget is $1.2 billion, or about $4 a year per taxpayer. Okay, so this agency is in the US, and to protect every American from to see the product, to make fiscalization of the products. Okay, so what is the mission? The FDA's mission is to ensure the safety and effectiveness of the products under its jurisdiction. So these products are worth about $1 trillion a year and make up 22% of all consumer expenditures. So FDA accomplishes its mission by establishing and enforcing high product standards and other regulatory requirements authorized or mandated by the Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act, its amendments, and other public health laws. So now we will see what is the purpose of the FDA. The purpose of this legislative framework is to make sure that human and veterinary drugs are safe and effective. There is a reasonable assurance of the safety and effectiveness of devices intended for human use. The cosmetics are safe and properly labeled. Public health and safety are protected from electronic product radiation. Foods are safe, wholesome, sanitary, and properly labeled. So this is the mission of FDA. So it will control all these products that are in the US: food, cosmetics, public health, and other stuff. So now we will take a brief history of it. In 1862, due to the growing necessity for safe food and drug products, President Abraham Lincoln appointed chemist Charles M. Wetherell to head the chemical division in the newly created Department of Agriculture. In 1883, Chief Chemist Harvey Wiley petitioned for a federal law prohibiting the adulteration and misbranding of food and drugs. In 1906, Upton Sinclair's description of the lack of hygiene at the Chicago stockyards in his muckraking novel, The Jungle, prompting prohibiting interstate commerce in misbranded and adulterated foods, drinks, and drugs. 1938, following the deaths of 107 persons, mostly children, who took a poisonous elixir of sulfanilamide, Congress greatly strengthened the public health protection by passing the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. So, in 1962, these are a brief history how the FDA grown. So, Dr. Francis Casely, an FDA medical officer, prevented a major tragedy by refusing to allow the marketing of thalidomide as a sleeping pill that lacked sufficient evidence of safety, responding to thousands of birth defects that the drug was causing in Europe and South America. Congress passed the Kefauver-Harris amendments requiring evidence of drug effectiveness as well as greater safety. So here in 1976, Congress passed the Medical Device Amendment that extended the requirement of safety, effectiveness, and the quality control procedure to medical devices and diagnostic products. This passage was preceded by US Senate report that faulty medical devices has caused in 10 years 10,000 injuries, 731 of which were fatal. So today, FDA is implementing the FDA Modernization Act of 1997, which was passed by Congress after 3 years of FDA scrutiny and covers all of the agency's activities and program. With an 80% favorable rating in public polls, the agency is cooperating with its stakeholders in the US and abroad to continue protecting consumers and the public health in the new era of unprecedented technological and scientific advances. So this is the class of today. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have any question, please let me know. Okay, take care.